Let's see what color. So like, I see like grays, blues, not. I see like blues.
And like
I know.
crayons.
What did they? Did they? What
Hey, little
color
girl.
is some?
Hey,
is
little
some
girl.
of these black?
See, Dad, she
They
goes
like to
right
crawl
to
into the arms.
Who's technically black?
Hey, buddy. Hey, buddy.
What would they say? If there was
They're so fluffy.
Dad, this is a girl.
Oh, that one's a girl.
Oh, wait, they're only
My bad.
colorblind. They're only colorblind for things like that.
Hi, pretty girl.
No, you have to look at it.
So the black and the navy are the girls, huh?
Yeah.
Okay, so the blue and the green blue ones are the boys.
So we're gonna call it. I thought he was a boy. She was a boy. You're so cute.
Wait, this one's a boy or a girl?
A boy.
That one's a girl.
That one's a
Then
girl.
what's the navy?
The navy's a boy.
Okay, so navy and green are the boys in the blue color. So the
Look at her curly hair.
like electric blue and the black are the girls, yeah.
The only thing
They're
that's
so
electric-
fluffy as
the only thing
puppies.
that's electric is that black hair.
This orange one is just so cute. Look at it. It's in a milk coma.
The orange one.
Wake up. Come here, wake up.
Dad, another thing that's electrical is this little girl's
Oh, you're
mohawk.
licking my arm. Licking my arm.
Look at the way she was standing.
Oh, that mohawk.
Show Dad the mohawk.
Maybe they're crawling to me because I'm laying on my side. They think I'm gonna feed them.
I'm shy.
Dad, another thing that's electrical is this little girl's mohawk.
Come on, can you walk yet? Can you walk?
Who's a little mohawk?
This
Oh
is
yeah. That one's been, well, when mom licks them, that's what happens. It
Oh,
dries like
my
that.
cutie.
So she's been licking that one.
Oh, the
recently.
cutie. Oh, you're just a cutie.
Yeah. No, she keeps them clean, but it'll dry off to like this.
Come on, I'm laying on my side. Come to me. Come to me.
Oh, it has this little tongue out.
I got a picture of the.
Oh my goodness, look at that.
Whoa.
Come here.
My turn. Come to me.
Come here.
Oh, my lip though.
Puppy's trying to walk. He's so cute.
Yeah.
Doing so good.
Look at this one. She's got her tongue out too. Dad, this one's.
You little mohawk. Yes, I would be glad. I would be glad too. Oh, you only came to me because I'm your favorite.
My eye hurts.
Well, Dad's just adorable. Come here.
It's time to trim these little nails. Need to get some cat nail trimmers.
You're so
I already had some.
Do you know? Do you guys know where they're at? If you guys can find a pair, I'll trim them right now.
See, Dad, look, now they're all coming to me. We'll just do so far.
Wait, don't dogs have like blood flow through their nails?
Yeah, that's why you can't trim too much of it. But you see how like there's like the white tip at the end of their nails?
That's
You
the
can
part
cut.
that you can't cut.
Yeah, the white part doesn't have blood supply.
Oh my god. She's like not using her front arms.
Dad, look at this.
This one's just so cute.
Yeah, come to me.
Touch that one's nose.
Boop. Boop. Boop.
Okay, I'll let you sleep. You want to sleep too?
What about these
You
ones?
want me to let you sleep?
Dad, look at when I go away. They're so cute. Oh. It's still coming.
You got one.
No. Oh, you're so adorable. Oh my god. Yo, go, yo.
She walking?
Yeah.
Come on, girl. Come here, girl.
I want a photo booth.
Their ears should be just about open.
They look so picky when they cross
Just
their arms.
barely anything can get through their ears.
They look so picky when they like put their arms over each other.
You can see
It's walking.
there's their
Don't
ears.
miss the moment.
Oh yeah, she's walking. This was the one that lost weight
Yeah, she's walking.
over the first 24 hours, but she's doing really good.
Now
Purple, I think purple walks the best.
Oh, black collar.
Purple's my favorite color too, by the way.
Oh, well then we should.
No, like just in general, purple.
Then we should take off Gray's collar and put purple so that you can like that puppy better.
You like the gray color the most?
Yeah, because it's just like Diana. It's really calm. It always calms
Wait. Diana's calm.
Diana is anything but calm.
Diana's the most energetic. I mean, she's calm when she sleeps, but when we go out to do something, she's all over it.
Well, I mean, that one's the Gray's energetic too, so I mean, like, we should just keep him now. Well, okay.
We should keep this one because she's so cute.
We're not keeping the blue.
No, we're not. We're keeping a black one.
The blue one just because she's so
We
cute.
should keep
We should
the
keep two. We should keep the purple one and this one.
No,
We should keep pink.
just
We
so
should
cute.
keep pink color.
we're gonna keep one that reminds me the most of Wonder Woman. When they start showing personality, I'm gonna keep the one that's exactly like her. But it's gonna be out of the purple color, pink color, and then that gray, which is actually like a light blue color.
But so we didn't have another one. So she took it
They're
off.
just all passed out now.
Oh, I know. I put
Little
it
milk comas. When they sleep, you can actually see them move a little bit. You know how like we twitch when we sleep? Sometimes I wonder what they're doing in their dreams, like chasing a rabbit, and you just see them move real quick.
It happens to me, just not chasing a rabbit.
You can zoom out, you can see more of them. Oh, you don't chase rabbits though?
Yeah, I don't chase rabbits.
One time I fell asleep,
That'd be kind of
and then I had a joke. I had a dream that I fell off of something, and I woke up all scared.